Hi, I'm Brendan Jones, Product Engineer here at Amphenol TPC Wire Cable. Today I'm excited to show you one of the critical tools in our testing arsenal, the Abrasion Tester. This machine is designed to simulate the excess friction and abrasive forces that our products endure in harsh industrial environments. Here's how it works. We fix the cables into the tester with an attached weight, ensuring a consistent force against the sandpaper. The test speed is adjusted to approximately 45 cycles per minute and run for 1,000 total cycles. We then measure the percentage mass loss and the decrease in thickness of the cable jacket. This rigorous testing ensures that our cables maintain jacket integrity, even in the harshest conditions, from industrial machinery to extreme outdoor environments. At Amphenol TPC, we test our cables beyond industry standards to ensure a reliable product where it matters most. The Abrasion Tester is just one of the tools we use to determine the best jacket materials for our customers.